Hi, hello dear friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is really very important. I'm sure this video is going to make you very happy because it's a great opportunity and great news for all the teacher aspirants. Before starting my video, I request all of you please like, share and subscribe because in our channel we are keep on uploading so many informative and important videos. As soon as we get any news, immediately we upload on our channel. So, for your benefits, please follow our channel and subscribe our channel. Let us see what is the video. So, this is a Twitter message from the Education Minister B.C. Nagesh. What he has tweeted, let us see. ಪದವಿ ಪೂರ್ವ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಇಲಾಖೆಯ ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಪದವಿ ಪೂರ್ವ ಕಾಲೇಜುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಖಾಲಿ ಇರುವ 778 ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸಕರ ಖಾಲಿ ಹುದ್ದೆಗಳನ್ನು ನೇರ ನೇಮಕಾತಿ ಮೂಲಕ ಭರ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. So, it is a very good news for all of us that our education minister has tweeted that they are going to recruit 778 PUC lecturers as a direct recruitment. Okay, so ನೇರ ನೇಮಕಾತಿ ಮೂಲಕ ಭರ್ತಿ, it means direct recruitment. So let us see further. ಶೀಘ್ರದಲ್ಲೇ ನೇಮಕಾತಿ ಅಧಿಸೂಚನೆಯನ್ನು ಹೊರಡಿಸಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. Soon they are going to give the notification. Until you have to wait and follow our channel. As soon as we get the notification, immediately we will upload it. Okay. So till then, like, share and subscribe. If possible, you can take the screenshot. Okay. I hope you have taken the screenshot and you like the information. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.